Hey y'all, it's Brett, Tine living. Got a little more done on the tiller. Actually got my bushing built. You can see it. Yeah, it's right there. I've already started putting it together. Weather hasn't been very good. I just been working whenever I get a chance at it. Got the plate made for the motor, for the engine. I put an extra 1/4 inch plate. It's wider, fits the engine better. The other one was probably plenty. It was a lot thicker, but it didn't cover the base of the engine good. And I got a belt picked out for it. I went with a little larger belt than what was on it. Got a few things done. I went putting it all together and I realized that the gearbox, I went to tightening the bolts, it was not in line, it was actually crooked. I've got to straighten that back up. I'm going to loosen all the mount bolts and tighten the gearbox up and try to adjust all the plates till I get everything straight. It's a minor thing because I've got a universal joint, but I went to all this much trouble, I may as well do it right. I was talking about the gearbox. Everything's really close together in this gearbox. Everything needs to be aligned as close as I can get it. And I gotta get the oil stick back from the pulleys a little more. They had it set right on top of it. The oil stick's actually got a rub spot in it. Get this sheave or pulley scooted back over. Hard to get in there where it's actually at, but somebody adjusted it way out and I think it's a little too far out of alignment. Got a few little tweaks to do. The tensioner, it's rubbing the side of the engine. I don't like that. Well, minor things that just needs slight adjustment. When I get it going, I want to make sure it's going to run for a while because I've got a lot of work for it to do. I did get the motor mounted and get all of that part worked out. This is an electric start engine. I think I'm going to find me a battery and run me a wire and see if I can't make an electric start tiller. Never had one of them. I got to do a little work to the gear shifts and kind of tweak a few things I don't like about it, but it's coming together. This big tiller will be breaking ground before too long. Well, we got the first trial run. All parts I've built so far is working good. You notice the shifters are a little touchy, they're a little funny, but they've been twisted on and beat on, and yeah, they need some attention too. I know, Bongo, you're not getting no attention out of this. I thought I'd show you a little update. I got the motor mounted, wheel back on, drive line working. I've only put one belt on it because I was just making sure I got the right size for I bought 2 belts. I've lined the pulleys up better. I did find out the big pulley on the main drive is busted. I don't know if it's going to last the way it is or not. It does have a crack in it. Somebody's been rough on it. The engine starts and runs good. I just need to find a place to mount a battery and run a couple of cables and have an electric start garden tiller. It's going to be so awesome. Hope you enjoyed my little update here. Have a good weekend. God bless.